This week is National Trailer Safety Week, a time to raise awareness about the dangers of towing trailers that aren't properly maintained or secured. Whether it's a boat, utility trailer, camper, or anything like that. Joining us today is David Greene and Greene and Phillips to talk about how to stay safe when towing. David, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
All right, so let's talk about this. Why is trailer safety such a big concern?
Well, it's a little bit of an unusual topic, but it's something that's very important. Every day we see people pulling trailers, and if they're not attached properly, or the safety chains are not properly there, or the lights are not properly attached, you can have a big problem if you get behind them. I've even heard of situations where trailers come off and pass the car or truck that's pulling them. That can create a really big problem.
Yeah, very scary stuff. You think about only seeing that in the movies, but down here where we live with people with boats and all that sort of stuff, it happens often. So you mentioned them earlier. Are those the most common mistakes? People just not knowing how to secure and attach the trailer?
I think so. I think people get in a hurry, and I think they're trying to get their equipment or whatever it is to another location, and they're just not really paying attention. Sometimes the latch comes undone. A lot of times it's not even locked down. And so looking at it, understanding how to attach your trailer, make sure your boat trailer is secure, make sure you have the bolt or whatever it is are locked through it to make sure it's secure. It can really make a huge difference. If that thing comes off, it can cause a horrible, horrible accident.
Yeah, and it could cause an accident for the person who's driving, but could also cause an accident for the person who's hit by a trailer if it comes off as well. If that sort of incident has happened to anyone, when do they get y'all involved in the process?
Very simply, basically, you go ahead and get us involved as soon as you can. You call 911, you get the authorities out there, do the report, seek the treatment that you need, and then talk to the lawyers at Greene and Phillips. Glad to talk to you. We've actually handled a number of these cases over the years. They can be very, very serious, but you need to talk to a lawyer that handles this type of case.
And then the legal ramifications if you're the driver of the trailer that comes off. I'm sure there's some elements at play there as well.
Well, you may actually have a problem there, but you need to make sure you talk to someone. Even if it's a case where you think you're at fault, we're glad to get you to someone that can help you. We don't handle defending cases. We only handle plaintiff sides, but we can help you get to your insurance where that insurance company can defend you for the mistake you may have made.
A lot to keep in mind here. If you have more questions or want to follow up, they can always get in contact with y'all.
It's very simple. Come by 51 North Florida Street. You never need an appointment, or go to greenphillips.com.
All right.